Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a medium fan. To begin, gather your essential materials. You'll need a small direct current motor, a battery holder for 2 AA batteries, and a simple on-off switch. Also, prepare some sturdy cardboard or thin plastic for the fan blades, along with wires, a hot glue gun, scissors, a ruler, and a marker. Having everything ready makes the building process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's craft the fan blades. Start by cutting a perfect circle from your chosen material, approximately 5 centimeters in diameter. Next, draw 4 lines from the center outwards, dividing the circle into 4 equal sections. Carefully cut along these lines, stopping about 2 centimeters from the outer edge. Finally, gently twist each of these 4 sections to create a slight angle, which will effectively push air when the fan spins. With your blades ready, it's time for assembly. First, firmly attach the center of your fan blades to the motor's rotating shaft. Next, wire the motor. Connect one motor wire to one terminal of your switch and the other motor wire directly to the negative terminal of your battery pack. Then, connect the remaining switch terminal to the positive terminal of the battery pack. Finally, use hot glue to secure the motor and battery pack onto a small, stable base, like a piece of cardboard. You're almost done. Before testing, carefully double-check all your wire connections to ensure they are secure and correctly aligned. Make sure the fan blades can spin freely without hitting any part of the base or motor housing. Now, insert 2 fresh AA batteries into your battery pack. With everything in place, simply flip the switch to activate your fan. Enjoy the cool breeze from your very own handmade medium fan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.